Oh shit.
One for the camera.
Okay.
Hey guys, so this video was originally meant to be like a burping challenge between me and Anthony. It didn't really work out. It was taking too long to burp. It was getting boring. I was getting a stomach ache from drinking so much soda. So yeah, it ended up being a video of like adventures in Big Bear basically. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's kind of random everywhere. So yeah, just go ahead and watch and hopefully you like it.
Hello guys. We're gonna do a little burping challenge today. I guess he's getting it started off for us. Alright. We're gonna see who can do the loudest burp, the longest burp, the grossest burp, and how many burps we can do throughout this whole video.
What was that? It actually makes it good. Get close now.
Oh, see, that was nothing.
We're in the mountains. Pretty cool. It's the freezer.
The freezer. I haven't got one burp in yet. Good job, baby! Oh, there's a breeze. Whee! Oh my god! Well, I still don't feel like having to burp, so I call it a fail video.
This is just a quick what's up.
Actually, it's not all the way.
Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner. You're so... Ow!
Ways to make this video. Hold on, I ain't done. Now we gotta taste it.
Ah, what are you doing?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This tree is 150 years old.
Looks like it died.
Yeah, 150 years old.
All right, let's go.
Gotta be really good.
We're just doing it, babe. We're just gonna go for it. Gotta use that as a sled.
He's gonna fuck me up if I ride it.
Yeah, I think we just gotta walk down, babe. Your butt's gonna hurt after so bad. Oh my god. Yeah. He found the sled spot. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. I'm on my ass already. Might as well just go down too on my butt. Oh my god. That's so cool. Okay. Here I go. I got a runny nose. I gotta situate everything here. Okay. It's so cold. Oh, they're going so fast. Ah. Oh yeah. We found a sled, so now he's gonna try to